Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's learn action verbs. So this is think. Think. This man is thinking about something. Think. Next one is climb. Climb. He is climbing the mountain. Or you can say he is climbing up the mountain. Next is crawl. Crawl. The baby is crawling. The baby is crawling. Eat. Eat. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Eat. He is eating drumsticks. Eat. Drink. Drink. He is drinking the water. Drink. Swim. Swim. He likes to swim. Swim. Teach. Teach. She is teaching the class. Teach. Solve. Solve. He has to solve this problem. Solve. Hug. Hug. The mother and the son are hugging each other. Laugh. Laugh. They are laughing over something. Laugh. Paint. Paint. He is painting the tree. Paint. Clean. Clean. I like to clean the house. Clean. Scrub. There are two types of scrubbing, one that you use is on your face and the other one that you use on the floor or anything to remove the stain. She is scrubbing the floor. Wash. Wash. He is washing his hands. Stand. Stand. She is standing. Sit. Sit. He is sitting on the chair. Build. Build. He is building the house. Build. Cook. Cook. He is cooking the meal. Or the chef is cooking something delicious. Bake. Bake. The siblings are baking cookies. Bake. Cut. Cut. He is cutting the paper. Chop. Chop. He is chopping the carrot. Chop. Saw. Saw. This is called saw. She is sewing her dress. Enjoy. Enjoy. Dance. The couple are dancing together. Dance. Push. Push. The kid is pushing the car. Push. Pull. Pull. The man is pulling the donkey. Pull. Watch. Watch. The kid is watching the cartoons. Watch. Exercise. They are exercising. Exercise. Comb. Comb. He is combing his hair. Comb. And the last would be sneeze. He is sneezing because he got flu. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.